Hello guys, so hope you are doing good in the market. Let's do a quick technical analysis update on Bitcoin as well as Bitcoin dominance and market updates. Okay, so very first of all, as I said, Bitcoin is very near to the top and it just started its downtrend. It's not confirmed yet. Okay, downtrend is not confirmed yet. How to confirm the downtrend? How we have to see first. It should do something like, where is brush? Yeah, okay. It just started one wave down, then it could be a retracement, and after that, if it breaks down this current level, then we can say that it's a downtrend. Okay, first of all, it has to retrace at a certain amount and should not go above that top. Okay, if it goes above the top, then it will turn bullish again. Okay, I'm just waiting for the confirmation. Either it goes to the downside or either it goes to the breakout to the upside. Okay, for now I'm a lot bearish on it. Let me show you why. Okay, very first of all, look at this candle on 12-hour chart. There is doji candle, and before that it's a normal candle, and after that doji, and after that it's a engulfing candle to that small candle. Okay, so that's why it's pretty much bearish in my opinion on 12-hour chart. After that, if we are gonna take 1 day chart, then also you can see a kind of bearish engulfing here. After that, if we go on 3 days chart, you are gonna see a complete bearish engulfing. Okay, complete bearish engulfing. Look at this. Okay, so that's my opinion. It's completely, a lot of bearish signs are in of the Bitcoin, so we are just hoping for the best. Let me see what is happening in 1 month chart. Okay, its current value is at 89 still. Okay, yeah, it's pretty good. So why I'm sharing signals now to buy some coins? Why I'm sharing some signals? Because of this, I'm expecting that at least Bitcoin will take a retracement from this level to some sort of level. At least it's gonna go up for a while, and after that retracement completion, Bitcoin will start doing its work of giving confirmation either to the upside breakout, either or to the downside breakout. I'm expecting a downside breakout though. I'm thinking like it's just one wave one, and after that it's a retracement wave. After that, a big wave can come. Okay, so, and that big wave can touch this region as well as this region. Okay, be prepared for it. So I will talk about Bitcoin dominance now. One thing is, I have also discussed one point at previous video, is that it can take a sideways movement and form a kind of structure here. Okay, just like any kind of structures like ascending triangle, descending triangle, flag, and any of that. Okay, so we have to keep an eye if it's gonna make any kind of structure. It's if it's gonna do some sideways for a while in that region, in that particular region. Look, altcoins are safe. There will be not much bleed unless and until altcoins are in Bitcoin is in between this zone. Okay, what is the zone? It's about 57,000 to, actually, Bitcoin market is bleeding after below that zone 48. Okay, so we will keep it as 48, and upper side will be 55. Okay, so altcoins can pump one by one unless and until Bitcoin is under this zone. Okay, this zone is from 55k round figure to 48k round figure. Okay, and if you are gonna see Bitcoin price below or above that, you can see bleeding volatility in the market, so be aware of that. Unless and until we are in this zone, I will keep sharing signals. Okay, so let's go to the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is pretty good for altcoins, as we can see that on that dump, Bitcoin dominance increased to the level of 64, and breakout of that level can easily take another big bloodbath in the market, but it doesn't happen, and it just get rejected from that level, and now currently it's again trending at crucial level, and I'm expecting a breakdown here, sorry. So when Bitcoin dominance increases, when Bitcoin is gonna dump or pump potentially, okay, with a lot of volume. And currently we have also seen that somebody bought, actually let me see the name of that person. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, Square buys 170 million more in Bitcoin to boost crypto holdings. Okay, that's the news in the market, but I don't think so. This news will hold a lot to pump the market again. Okay, I'm very bearish on Bitcoin still. It's just could be a retracement, and after that Bitcoin can come down. I may be wrong. Okay, take other point in mind as well. I may be wrong, and Bitcoin end up breakouting this point and start skyrocketing. Okay, so that's all about the market updates. Be safe, use stop losses, and keep an eye on that region. Okay, thank you.